Are you having a bad day? Swim fast. Do you have a lot of work and stress? Swim fast. Are you questioning your decisions and feel like you need to make a change? Swim fast. Your crush doesn't talk to you? Swim fast. Swimming fast is not the answer to everything, but it is a starting step. When you swim fast, your arteries dilate, your heart starts working hard, your muscles activate, your muscle memory kicks in. Your brain cannot biologically hold worries and stressing thoughts while doing this intense physical activity, so they go away, meaning your prefrontal cortex, the frontal part of your brain, temporarily shuts down and you enter a state of flow. Around 70% of your body is water, but at that point it feels more like 100%. Because of the fluidity and the automatic movements of your body. Even if it is for a few seconds or minutes, your sense of confidence in your swimming abilities are so high that they will carry over into other parts of your life. That, if you ask me, it's a good starting point to solve any problem. So go ahead, take a dive, and swim fast.